Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Okay students, so we have started this chapter number 4, knowing your windows. Okay, as we have learned, as we have read this page number 30. So today we will discuss about this page number 31. Okay, so icons and shortcuts. Today we will start with the icons and shortcuts. So in this screen I have shown you, this is desktop. So in this screen I have shown you where are the icons. These are the icons. Okay, these are the icons. So we will discuss about today icons and shortcuts. So icons are the small pictures on the screen. Icons are the small pictures on the screen. Okay, the functions of icons and shortcuts. Functions of icons and shortcuts are the same. Are same because both are used to open a file directly by clicking on them. Okay, the functions of icons and shortcuts are same because both are used to open a file directly. Okay, we can open file directly when we will click on them. Okay, on icons if we will click, so we can open a file. Okay, and these shortcuts if we will click, that also doing the same role. Icon is an image. Icon is an image which represent any file, folder or storage, whereas shortcut provides the shortest possible method to access the file and folder. So what is the difference in icon and image? What is the icon? Icon is an image. Icons are image like recycle bin, like my computer, okay, which represent any file, folder or storage. Okay, whereas shortcut provides the shortest possible method. Shortcut provides the shortest possible method to access the file or folder. Okay, so if we have to reach to the shortcut, so we are using shortcut. Okay, shortcuts we are using. Now next is document. What are the documents? Document, it is a Microsoft Windows folder. Documents, okay, it is a Microsoft Windows folder that stores document, program, setting and other files that are used with many of the programs that run on the computer. Okay, what is documents? It is a Microsoft Windows folder. It is Microsoft Windows folder. Okay, in this we can, that stores documents. Okay, it is a folder, Microsoft Windows folder. Okay, and it can stores documents, program setting and other files that are used with many of the programs and that run on your computer. For example, when saving a file in Microsoft Word, the default folder will often be in documents. Okay, when suppose we have opened the MS Word, Microsoft Word, okay, and we have typed anything. Okay, suppose I am giving you test, so I have made a test on the Word, MS Word. Okay, so for example, when I will save that file, okay, by default it will go, okay, often it is going in documents only. Okay, by default when I will save, so it will go to document. Clear students? So it is a Microsoft Windows folder that stores document, program, setting, other files that are used with many of the programs that run on the computer. Clear? Now next is network. So what is network? To run the computer, okay, if we have to mail anything, okay, so if we have to make PDF, so we use network. So it allows, what is network now? Network is, it allows the user to use other available resources on their network like printer. Okay, we can use other resources like printer we can use when net will be there, network will be there. So a great example of a network is the internet connecting millions of people all over the world together. Okay, great example of network is the internet is main example, great example of network. And internet connecting millions of people all of the world together. Okay, suppose we can take the example of Zoom. Okay, we are giving lectures in Zoom, So Zoom is connecting, how Zoom is running with the internet. Okay, so this is network. A great example of a network is the internet, connecting millions of people all over the world together. Okay, now next is recycle bin. So what is recycle bin? So recycle bin, it is the location where deleted file and folders are temporarily stored. It is the location where deleted file and folders are temporarily stored. It allows the user to recover files and folder that has been deleted. Okay, suppose we have deleted any file. By chance, if it is getting deleted, so where we can search it? In recycle bin. Okay, so what is recycle bin? It is a location where deleted file and folders are temporarily stored. It allows the user, okay, if suppose we have deleted, now it allows the user, recycle bin allows the user, okay, it allows the user to recover file. We can take that file and folder that have been deleted, we can recover, we can save that file, or we can recover that file and folder that have been deleted. Okay, so this is the recycle bin. So student, for today only this page we will do. Okay, next page we will do in next video. Read and understand it well. Okay, have a good day to all. Have a nice day.